Welcome back to my channel. My name remains David. This strategy I'm about to show you right now had a very outstanding win rate. The win rate, I've not seen this in a long while, and it was shocking to say the least. And now I'm going to show you all the indicators. We're going to be using 3 indicators for this particular strategy. Trust me, this strategy is not going to take your time at all. It's simple strategy. You're going to love it, and I'm going to show you the way it all works together, and you're going to love it, trust me. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to go through the indicators for you, right, so that you can use this for yourself. Try it out and you're gonna love it. We're talking about 70% win rate, no jokes at all. This strategy is amazing. So let's go through the strategy and I'll go through each and every one for you. So let's go straight, like I said, and show you the strategy, starting with the TDI. The TDI I'm using for this one is the one from the Gold Rush. Okay, the Gold Rush TDI, that's the one I'm using for this strategy, and I'm just going to show you the TDI settings. So this is what, under style, this is how you want it to be. This is the settings I did for all. You can follow these settings and set your own alike too. Okay, we have fast tick, slow, on tick. So these are just the settings I use. For input, this is what I have for input. RSI period 13, band length 34, fast 2, slow 7. So these are just the ones I have. You can pause the video, make sure you have all the settings for your TDI. Okay, you can have the setting for your TDI, and that's the first step. The second indicator which I added for this was the TEMA. The TEMA is a different kind of MACD, so you can just type TEMA and you set that to 200. You want to set that to 200. That's the only thing I did with this one. Okay, this was the color I used and I set it to 200. And then you want to have the normal 200 EMA also on your chart. So these are the 3 indicators which were used, and guess what, this is simple. This strategy is extremely simple and profitable. Trust me, it's very simple and profitable. What is the rule for sell? So what we are looking for is a shootout, a shark fin, we call it when we use TDI, we call it the shark fin. So what we are looking for is this kind of shark fin when we have the blue which shows us the trend. Okay, we have the blue that shows us the trend right here, and we have the shark fin. So what we are looking for is for the price to come into this space. Okay, we want it to come into this space and break out again, and we take it on the breakout candle. Once we have a candle closed, I'll just increase this for you to see. Okay, so once we have the candle close just like this, I like to look for 2 candle close outside. As you can see, we had this first full candle, but this other one closed in, so I would have waited. And then we had here again, but we see this one, we had this full candle, these 2 full candles closing. So if I'm taking a sell on this particular candle, right, just targeting the last, obviously I would have lost this first trade. I'm not hiding nothing at all. I'm not hiding anything in this strategy. I'm showing you all the way it should be. This is the first sell signal. Second sell signal, you can see we had another shootout. We had another shark fin just happened here in this chart. Okay, we had that shark fin happen here on this chart, and then what happened, we had cross, it went over the 200 blue and came back down to cross. Okay, it came back down to cross. So you can take your trade here if you want to. It's up to you. You can take it with the break of this, or you wait for 2 candles to break out. As you can see, if we've done that, we will not have gotten that. But if you wait for the break, which is the natural rule, in fact, for matter of fact, that's what I tested to get the 70% win rate. I just waited for the first candle to break down of the TEMA, the 200 TEMA, and I took my trade. Okay, and you want to have to take profit. You want to have to take profit, trust me. So the first take profit, wait, let me set my stop loss just about that, and I'll give you the first. Okay, so you want to have first take profit for 1-to-1, and when you hit 1-to-1, then you aim for 1-to-2. Okay, so we had 1-to-1 here, and we had that winning. Okay, we had that winning, and it came back up. So if you had hit your 1-to-1 and moved your stop loss to break even, okay, you would have been hit out, but at least you already made your one-to-one profit already. And then what happened after all? Again, we had a chance to come in, even though we didn't have that breakout of the TEMA here, but we had a chance. But now if we didn't enter there, look at what happened here. We had a shark fin come out, even though it didn't come out for too long, but we had a shark fin come out. And if we are taking another sell, that would have been a winner, a very fast winner at that. Okay, you would have had that win for a 1-to-1 and a 1-to-2. Okay, so that's how it works. I'll try and quickly find a buy signal for you. Okay, I'll try and find a buy signal for you. So this was one buy signal we had here. I tried to do a live stream sometime in the week. I don't know if you guys liked it. If you liked it, let me know. So we had a shark fin there. Remember, the trend is this blue 200 EMA below price, below the candle. Okay, so now we had that breakout of the TDI. Yeah, the shark fin came out. So what we're looking for was this candle to go over. Okay, and that's why you see. Plus, this strategy works extremely well on the 5 minutes. Okay, see one I took on the 5 minutes just here. This is one I took on the 5 minutes, and look at what happened. It was just too amazing to ignore. Look at it. We had the shark fin 1, shark fin 2. So we had this, but then we took our trade just at the breakout here, and we're able to hit our 1-to-1 here, broke even, and we got out of the trade, so we made profit on that one. If we go back in the chart again, you'll be able to see another period of time where we had opportunities to get a 1-to-1. So 90% of the time, trust me, you are going to get your 1-to-1 out of it. But the rule of this strategy is to set to take profit, a 1-to-1 and a 1-to-2 to maximize your profit, and you are going to love this strategy, trust me. So look at this one. We had a shark fin, okay, for a sell. We had the price go into the TEMA and out, broke out, so we took our trade just on this candle, and see what happened. We won that trade. You can see how easy this strategy is. This strategy is not complicated at all. I just want to quickly go through some start after I took these trades on the 5-minute chart. Gold, yes, I used this on gold, so you can imagine this kind of profit margin on gold. It was amazing. So after taking this 100 trades on gold on the 5-minute chart for 3 months, because we had some months where we had long period without trade, so let's say 3 months, taking 100 trade on the 5-minute chart, guys, this result was amazing. We are talking about a 70% win rate after 100 trade, won 70 trade and lost just 30. Okay, 170 and lost just 30 trades. Really amazing. And if you had a 10k account, you would have made a profit of $7,500 in 3 months. Guys, this strategy is good. I won't even lie about it at all. This strategy is good. If you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share it. Okay, it helps the video to go far. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Okay, won in a row was 9 and lost in a row was just 3. Just to show you how amazing this strategy is. The results were shocking. Trust me, I was even blown away. I'm not sure I've had this, even with the MACD strategy on my channel, I'm not sure I've had this good of a win rate. So this is a keep for me. I'm going to be keeping the strategy. I'm going to be using it. Like you saw, I used it in a live stream I did sometime last week. So one video you can watch, so please make sure you click that and watch that, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.